Prerna says, I have been struggling to identify what am I passionate about for a very long time. Would you have some advice for me? Prerna, I want to tell you, my dear, this is such a powerful question. For most of my life, when I was starting as an entrepreneur, I was struggling to identify that what is it that I am passionate about. But my dear, I want to tell you, finding your passion is not a one-day affair, but it's a continuous journey. Now, for you to understand how do you find your passion, I will share with you some methods that I have personally used in my life, which can help you move closer to your passion. The first thing that I always do, Prerna, is to self-reflect. I have this journal of mine wherein I am really looking at those activities that bring me joy, energy, fulfillment. And when you are actually reflecting on a continuous basis, you will find those patterns which will help you reveal your passion, that what is it that you are passionate about. The second thing, Prerna, that I would want you to do is to explore new experiences. Don't be afraid to try out new things. Don't be afraid to, get into new hobbies, some volunteer work, the side project that you are doing. Because when you do that, you are going to expose yourself to different activities and it will help you discover what are you truly passionate about, what truly excites with you as a person. Now, there is another angle that I would want to put here, Prerna. When you are assessing your strengths, that also gives you a huge clarity around what your passion is. Because when you are operating from your strength angle, you look at those tasks that you are naturally good at, that you enjoy doing. You figure out that what are those tasks that actually easily come to you. Those tasks that make you feel accomplished. Because most of the time, your passion aligns with your strengths and your innate skills. So start understanding what are your strengths. And most importantly, seek feedback. A lot of times we are reflecting, but we don't really go out to an expert and ask, where is this taking me? So never shy away from talking to experts or mentors who can provide you insights that you might overlook sometimes. And finally, the golden rule that I follow, align your passion with your values and your purpose. The moment you identify what are your core values and you can connect your passion with your core values, it is easy for you to move in that direction because you will be able to connect what you love with a cause, with a mission that you really, really care about. And it becomes even more meaningful and motivating. I mean, that feeling brings in a lot of fulfillment for you. So that is my advice to you, Prerna. If you are struggling to find what are you passionate about, and if you use some of these steps, I'm sure that you will be finding yourself, finding your passion very soon.